When building technology for harsh marine environments, simplicity and durability are essential. So, our system excels because it features kanang zero moving parts that could get clogged, jammed, or worn down by sand and marine debris. Furthermore, all electronic components and sensors are fully encased in high-grade marine resin, making them completely immune to saltwater corrosion and physical impact. So from on kanang operational standpoint, the system is designed to be 100% plug and play so that fishers don't have to navigate complicated screens or software menus while out at the sea. So, the feedback mechanism is intentionally simple. So, if ang indicator light on the boat turns red, ang net is full na. Mag-indicate na siya nga full na and ready to be kanang pwede na siya ipataas. So, this straightforward design ensures anyone can operate it without specialized technical training. Hindi na siya ginahanap training, pero ma-work ni siya because sa mga steps by steps procedure para maunsaon ni siya nato paggamit. In addition to financial and operational gains, these kanang smart net systems offer kanang critical benefits for crew safety and also sa marine conservation. So, if maghaul ta kanang if ato siyang birhon heavily overloaded or snag, nets manually create significant physical strain and deck hazards risk for crew members. So, if atong birahon na siya, there is possibility nga ma-overloaded na ang atuangan net nga maka-cause og hazard risk sa atuang mga fishermen. So, by providing precise timing on when to retrieve nets, the system reduces unnecessary heavy pulling and lowers the risk of onboard accidents. So, kay ang ato ang smart net is makadetect naman siya daan og kanang puno na ba ang kanang net. If nanay mga isda, dili na siya mas ma-overloaded nga maka-cause og risk sa mga fishermen. So, from an environmental perspective, preventing net tears play a vital role in protecting ocean ecosystems. Kay as too much kanang overload na sa net, there is a possibility nga maguba to siya nga net and then maka place a critical rule nga possible nga makaguba sa tuwa nga ecosystems, especially sa mga materials nga tuwa nga gina-use sa mga net nato. So, snapped or lost nets frequently turn into floating what we call ghost gear. So, kana nga mga traps and harms marine life for years sa mga fish. So, furthermore, real-time catch monitoring helps prevent over-harvesting, supporting sustainability fishing, and the practices in our local waters. To ensure this solution is accessible, especially sa mga low-income fishers, we students the system to cost approximately 1/10 the price of standard katong mga commercial sonar gear. So, rather than relying on expensive katong mga mahalon nga acoustic sonar, mga net, we integrated off-the-shelf industrial tension and strain sensors that deliver accurate results at a fraction of the cost. So, kami, we decided to make a material or a net that is less expensive nga magamit ra pod sa mga fishermen, those mga small fishermen nga dili na kailangan mo palit ato mga mahalon. So, this dramatic cost reduction ensures a rapid return on investment for small boat owners. In fact, based on current fuel prices, especially nga nigtaas na ito ang mga gasoline karon and operational efficiency gains, a fisher can fully recoup their mga initial equipment investment through saved fuel cost alone within their first 3 months of regular use. So, mas makalas gud sila o gasto, especially sa ilahang pagpalit sa gas, rather than mo use ta sa mga nets nga mas makahelp pa sa ato nga dali ra ta maka-detect if makakuha na dili pa siya maka-cause og risk sa imuha, as well as di po sa maka-cause og critical role or dangerous sa ato ang ecosystem. So kani nga net is very handful siya, especially those mga fishermen, small mga fishermen, kay ma-detect dayon nila without kanang magsigig hulat if nabay nakuha nga isda or wala. This diagram illustrates the complete end-to-end architecture of the smart fishing net system, showing how physical underwater mechanics are converted into a digital data and delivered straight to the fisherman. So, on the underwater side, sa nakita ninyo sa picture, the fishing net is fitted with weight and tension sensors that measures the physical strain in real time as fish enter the net. So if mo enter na tong mga isda sa net, so ma-sense sa sensors ang tension nga iyaha nga gina cover sa fish. Then these signals, along with the live GPS coordinates, are gathered by an onboard microcontroller which processes the raw sensor readings directly sa boat. So, once ang data is processed na, it is transmitted wirelessly using the RF or the GSM transceiver module. So, kani siya allows the system to send instant alert such as a net full status or location updates. So, kani siya nga transceiver maka-detect ni siya if um mo mo puno na ang net nga imuha nga ginagamit. So, directly to a mobile application on the fisher's smartphone or to an onboard LCD screen. So, this seamlessly bridges low-cost hardware with mobile technology to keep fishers kanang ma-inform sila without requiring kanang expensive ocean infrastructure. To conclude, ang mga smart fishing net monitoring systems turns traditional net fishing into an efficient, data-backed process tailored specifically for mga small operations sa fishermen. So by combining durable hardware, simple visual alerts, and an affordable price tag, we aim to uplift coastal fishing communities while promoting sustainable marine practices. So those are our project proposal for our fishermen that could help them in their daily life.